I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me.
Hey, it is your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I am bringing you this super duper bomb makeup look. Okay, your girl is so freaking happy at the way that this came out, and I am so happy that it came out good because I haven't done my makeup in so long because my work schedule has just been so hectic and everything. But your girl is back. She's back. Okay, and she did not come to play, period. But before we even hop into this video, let me just go ahead and touch on a serious topic. Everybody should know this by now. The Black Lives Matter movements that are going around, and it is just such a crazy time to live in. Like, although it's been like, it's always been there. Racism has always been there since the start of America. Like, since slavery. Racism was even there before slavery. So it's just so crazy to actually live in a time like this. Like, 2020 has been a hell of a year. It really has. But make sure that you are doing your part to fight for equal rights, because time and time again we have just been beat down by this systematic racism, and it's just like people want to believe that it's just not true, and it's just not there. And like, it's just so much stuff that's just going on. Like, it's so many neighborhoods that's been affected by systematic racism through redlining, the lack of benefits and things like that within your neighborhood. Like, it's sad that a lot of black kids got to go out of their city to go get some fresh groceries. Like, that's sad. Just because they have arrested these cops doesn't mean that the fight is over. Like, there is so many people and families in America that just haven't got the justice that they deserve, and this one incident was just the starting point. Like, this was the start for a fight. Like, there has been protests and fights in the past, but I feel like the problem is that they don't continue. So they kind of give you something just to pacify you. Like, these police officers didn't get arrested until it went viral. Even if you are not out there protesting, make sure you are still doing your part by sharing information, spreading awareness about the topic and any resources that people may find useful. Also, make sure that you are voting. Like, we need to get this annoying orange, this fucking great pumpkin, out of the office, like, immediately. He got to go. Like I said, make sure that you are doing your part and make sure you are voting, because your vote counts. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care if you got to get up and catch the bus. I didn't have to catch the bus to work, to school. Get up and catch that bus and make sure you go vote. And if you don't know how to vote, I'll leave a link down below that gives some more information about voting and how you can vote. And I'll leave a link down below on how to register to vote and all of that stuff. Also, I'll leave down below some petitions that you can sign and some places that you can donate to help the people that have been arrested due to protesting and stuff like that. And yeah, I know you guys are tired of me rambling, but this is a topic that I needed to ramble on. So y'all needed to listen. But I know you guys are tired of me rambling. But before we even get into this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a real MVP and a part of the winning team. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I am so excited to be back, but as you can see, I'm coming on here with my brows done and my eyelids already primed. And for my brows, I did use a new product. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is my first time using this product, and y'all, I actually really like it. Like, I mean, it's a brow pencil, nothing like really spectacular, nothing special, but yeah, this is what I used, and I really don't know what look I want to do. I have a few new palettes and I don't know. I really don't. I'm thinking about going into the Juvia's Warrior 2 palettes, and y'all, it's just something about this palette that is just really calling my name. So first I'm actually going to take the black shade right here. So now I'm about to take this shade right here. Into this shade. To do my fave, which is a smoky liner. If you don't watch a few of my videos, then you probably already know your girl loves a smoky liner. So I'm about to go ahead and take the Inglot 77 gel liner. Now that I am done with the eyes, and y'all know y'all see the lace, like y'all ain't even gotta say nothing. Don't even say nothing about it. Like, I know that it's looking a little rusty, dusty, and crusty right now, but when this makeup go on, it's gonna look real good. Like, we're not even gonna pay attention to the sides, because I mean, that is starting to lift a little bit, just a little bit, but that's besides the point. We wearing the middle part anyways. You ain't even gonna see them. But for primer, I'm gonna be going into the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and this is the soft matte one. So now I'm about to go into a new foundation, y'all. I am so excited for this. This is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation, and what made me want to buy this foundation, so I was watching Thomas Halbert, and he was like ranking the foundations like from iconic to like whatever other scale he used, but yeah, he was saying that this was iconic, and then I was like, dang, I did see some good things about this foundation, so let me just go ahead and try it. And y'all, the packaging is just so freaking pretty. Like, it has this rose at the top. It's just so pretty. But this is the shade 460 Sue W. I also picked up the Juvia's Place Stick Foundations, and this is in the shade Nimbia. And I am about to take this in contour. Like, I don't ever cream contour. I always use powder. looks pretty good. Honestly, I could go a shade darker, like, not even gonna lie. It looks pretty good though. Me personally, I like a nice, like, rich defined contour, like almost a little drag, like, not even gonna lie. But yeah, we'll go over it with powder and all that stuff and make it look real snatched and whatnot. But yeah, I actually really like it though. They gave me like a nice bronzy look. So the two shades that I have today is medium sand and tan sand. So first I'm gonna take tan sand, which is the dark shade, to just go ahead and conceal, and then I'm gonna take medium sand to actually highlight. Go in and bake, I'm going to go in and contour and bronze. So for contour, I am going to be going into the Sephora Pro palette, and y'all, I have wanted this palette for so freaking long. Like, it's just so, ooh, let me put the mirror down. It's just so pretty. Like, this palette is gorgeous. But I'm about to be taking this shade right here called Jet Setter for a contour, and hopefully that's gonna be a pretty contour shade. It looks pretty. Epic seems a little bit too dark, but I may take a little bit of that just like in the inner part of my cheekbones. So now for bronzer, I'm about to be going into the NARS bronzer, and this is in the shade Samoa. Technical difficulties that literally took like an hour of my time, so we're about to just go ahead and speed through the rest of this tutorial. But for blush, I am going to be going into the Sephora Pro palette again, and I am going to be taking this shade right here called Red Carpet. This shade is gorgeous. Like, this is what made me want to get this palette, this one shade. Take those same shades that I used in my crease out of the Juvia's Place palettes, and I'm about to go ahead and put those shades on my lower lash line. For lashes, I'm about to go into these lashes right here by Queen Bee Lashes. These are super fluffy and super pretty, and this is what the box looks like. These lashes is so bomb. But what I'm about to do is go ahead and with highlighter, and I don't even know what I'm gonna use for highlighter. Like, I don't. So now I'm about to go into the Milk Makeup Flex highlighter, and this is in the shade Lit. This is what it looks like. Y'all, don't mind my hands. I know they're ashy. I put on lotion before I started this tutorial, but yeah. At lips, and for lip liner I'm about to take the NYX lip liner, and this is in the shade Cold Brew. So for lipstick I'm going to be taking the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Let's Cuddle. On top, I'm about to take this Lime Crime lip gloss, and this is in the shade White Cherry. So this is the final look. I'm about to go ahead and fix up my hair, and then I'll be back. But yeah, I'm just wearing my hair straight, so it's not a lot to fix. I'm gonna just run the flat iron through it just a few times, and yeah. So this is the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like, I hope you followed along during this tutorial, because this is looking bomb, and I am feeling myself. I'm sorry, I keep looking over at the monitor because I'm looking at myself, but I am feeling myself. I am so freaking happy at the way that this look came out, because I haven't sat down and done my makeup in so long. So I'm just so happy at the way this look came out, because I know that these pictures are about to come out bomb. Like, I'm just so happy. Y'all don't understand how much joy makeup brings to me. Like, but anyways. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below any videos you would like me to do or any suggestions that you have for my channel. And you already know, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you already made it to the end of this video, so you might as well subscribe for this bomb look. Like, subscribe for that. Subscribe for this bomb look using a bunch of new products. Yeah, without further ado, you already know what your girl is about to say, and if you don't, make sure you go watch some more videos. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP, period. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.